friends, my name is Anushka and today we are going to make star fold card. It's a very easy card and you can make it very easily and fast so that you can give it like if you want to give it in less time, you have less time, so you can make this card for your loved ones. So let's start making it. So we need to cut a square of 20 by 20 centimeter. Now we have to cut this square. This is done. Now we need to mark the center line. That means 10 centimeter. See, I have made the center line. Now we need to take 20 centimeter from here, from this point to the center line, till the center line. We need to do the same on the other side also. When you do this, you will find a rectangle and then you need to cut that rectangle. Now we need to mark a line at 10 centimeter from both the sides. And then join both the lines. And then with this line we need to join till the center line. Like this. And now from this side we need to leave 2.9 centimeter and then draw a line. And then join both these lines. Like this we need to do in all the triangles. Now we need to fold these lines. We need to fold this line outside part, and we need to fold this line in inside part. Like this. Like this. So we have done this. Now we have to erase the lines. See, I have decorated with colored shade everywhere, and it is done. You can also decorate it in the way you want, or with some designer shade like this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for more updates of my video.